just so blessed to be here with you all tonight at Moments Live. This is just beautiful. Thank you for having us.
So this evening's going to be really beautiful. We'll sing some songs, we'll eat some beautiful food, we'll get to meet one another and talk. I'm really excited to be a part of it.
Fabulous, just incredible. She's great on TV and she's great in person. It was a wonderful experience.
Amazing, just amazing.
My birthday is today, and then our wedding anniversary is in 9 days. And we're like, okay, let's just wrap it all in one and we can celebrate with Claire.
Claire, you and your husband were wonderful. What a lovely performance. Didn't you all enjoy that? What a way to kick off our evening.
To be honest with you, Cora, one of the reasons why I wanted to come, I know she's an Iron Chef.
Hi everybody, welcome. This is so fun, isn't it? Here to the Ritz-Carlton Bacara.
I'm actually curating the menu for tonight. So we're gonna have a beautiful 3-course menu. We're gonna have incredible appetizer to start with. We're gonna be doing a master class as well. The nuttiness of the hazelnut pairs beautifully with the mushroom.
Iron Chef Cora was amazing.
You couldn't dream of anything like this.
There's nothing like getting to come home and play a local show in the most gorgeous place ever.
Tonight I'm so excited because this is with Moments Live, and it's all about a whole entire sensory experience.
So I want to thank you guys for coming out here tonight.
It's with live music, it's with food, incredible wine, this beautiful setting on the ocean.
Tonight has been one of the most priceless memories I think I'll ever have.
We never do events like this, ever, so this is incredible.
Enjoying time with my husband and meeting new friends. I mean, it's pretty awesome.
I just love the flow of the evening, the cocktail hour with the appetizers, before a fabulous dinner, and then a great show. Couldn't ask for more.
And I know we have more of these. This isn't all. This isn't the only ones we have. I know everybody's like, wait, I'm gonna get into it.